In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly debit and credit accounts, ensuring your financial records are accurate and reliable. This is a foundational skill in accounting, so whether you're managing a small business or just want to keep your personal finances in order, understanding debits and credits is crucial. Let's dive right into it. To kick off, let's establish what debits and credits actually are. In accounting, these terms are used to describe how transactions are recorded. A debit is an entry that increases an asset or expense account or decreases a liability or equity account. Conversely, a credit is an entry that decreases an asset or expense account or increases a liability or equity account. Keeping these definitions in mind is essential as they will guide our approach through the accounting process. Now, start by determining the accounts that are affected by a transaction. Say, for instance, you purchase office supplies using cash. The accounts affected here would be your office supplies account and your cash account. Clear identification of the involved accounts is the first step in ensuring accuracy in recording. Once you have identified the accounts, ascertain whether these accounts should be debited or credited. Continuing with our office supplies example, you're increasing your supplies, so you would debit the office supplies account. Since cash is leaving your company, you would credit the cash account. This mirrors the fundamental accounting equation, assets equal liabilities plus equity. Here's a tip. Remember that assets and expenses are increased with debits, while liabilities, equity, and revenues are increased with credits. This little guide can save you tons of confusion down the line. Next, allocate the appropriate amounts to each account. This involves considering the exact financial value that each account has gained or lost due to the transaction. For accuracy, ensure these amounts reflect the actual transaction figures, not estimates. Afterward, be sure to make the debit entry on the left side of your ledger and the credit entry on the right side. This dual entry procedure is key to maintaining balance in your accounting system. It's often helpful to visualize this step to cement the concept. Lastly, it's critical to save your records and document everything. Whether you're using an accounting software or a spreadsheet, saving your entries will become a reliable reference point for future audits or financial assessments. Moreover, regularly saving data prevents the headache of losing valuable information to unforeseen circumstances like system failures or accidental deletions. And that wraps up our guide on debiting and crediting accounts. Make sure to practice these concepts frequently to gain confidence and proficiency. Thank you for